Mihaela doing the first ski experience. Already we've lost a pole. They're ahead of you.
Right down this way.
Take her down the safest way.
Remember.
Grandma Susan and Mihaela. Beautiful. That's good. That looks good. Nice, nice, nice. Very beautiful. Come over to the right here a little bit. Oh, you're doing great. You're doing great. There's Susan on the right there and learning there. A little steeper here. Very nice. Oh man, you're good. You got it, you got it, you got it. Beautiful. Very nice. What? Oh, she's impressing me. Almost there. I think it's the same left, I think. Yeah, I don't want this momentum. Yeah, over to the left. Yeah, boy, I'm going so slow I can't. Yeah, here we go. Good form. It looks good. We're coming up to the left now. 3 minutes of tape in here. 3 minutes and we haven't fallen. Grandma showing off up there. Beautiful. So Mihaela. Mihaela, what do you think?
Awesome.
You were awesome, girlfriend. Looks good. No falling. Beautiful.
Yeah.
February 1, 2015, Mihaela's first complete ski run down the main hill.